Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get the grass cake food recipe in Heartopia game. Okay, let's get into it guys. The new update in Heartopia has been released, and in this update guys, we can get the grass cake recipe, and I'm going to show you where you can get it. First you can go to the event menu and you're going to select the adventure rally. Okay, this is a new event actually, and if you want to get the grass cake, you need to log in. You need to log in daily to light up one puzzle piece, and once you complete the puzzle, you will be able to unlock this grass cake food recipe. And now it's unlocked for me. I need to wait 3 days to get this grass cake recipe. Okay, finally guys, we can get this food recipe. So now we can use the grass to make food in Heartopia with this recipe. Okay guys, and that's how we can get the grass cake food recipe in Heartopia game. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye!